how to dropship on TikTok Shop with Aliexpress. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to dropship with TikTok Shop using Aliexpress as our source of products. Now, Aliexpress can be a good platform to have a dropshipping interaction with because of the cheap prices for their different products. As you can see here, their prices are very low in comparison to other platforms. Of course, other platforms can be cheap as well, but in the normal market, let's say eBay or let's say Amazon, these prices or these products that you're seeing right now could be more expensive or be very expensive. But in AliExpress, they could be sold or they are being sold in bulk. Therefore, they are very cheap when you purchase them. So, how do we establish a dropshipping interaction or a dropshipping business model with our TikTok Shop and AliExpress? What we're going to be using is this platform called AutoDS, which is a great platform to start a dropshipping with TikTok Shop. Now, in AutoDS, you could easily connect your TikTok Shop by adding a store or by inquiring a plan for your TikTok Shop. There are several plans available or package available for you for TikTok Shop. As you can see, it might be pricey, but you could start for $1 for your first month, and that could be, or if you're successful, that could allow you to afford the entire plan for the next month and so on and so forth. So over here, as you can see, simply select the one that is for you and click on Start Now to be able to get started. Now, AutoDS allows us to import and transfer products into TikTok Shop. How do we do it with AliExpress? In AutoDS, we have the Add Products option over here. We could click on Single Product over here, which will basically allow us to look for a product in AliExpress. Let's say I want to sell a specific product. Let's go with this mouse pad. A really cool looking mouse pad. Let's simply select our URL over here. Copy your URL and go back to AutoDS. You can simply paste it under your supplier URL or product ID. You will be able to see that it identified it as an AliExpress product and the region it is from. And then you can click on Edit Now, which will allow you to edit contents of that product. You could change the title, you could change the description, or you could even change the photos that is being used. As you can see here, you could change the title, you could optimize it if you want, you could optimize it with AI if you want, stuff like that. You could change the category, you could change the tags, the payment policy, all of those things. Description, as you can see here, if you want to change certain parts, you have variants over here. There's over 64 variants. Then you have your images over here. If you want to add more or if you want to modify some other images, you can do that. And then you have your item specifications over here as well. You could save and import, or you could save it temporarily for you to be able to import it later on, as you can see. And if you click on drafts, it should appear under here, as you can see. You could look for any type of product in AliExpress. I would recommend that you specifically look for specific categories so you have a specific niche for your store. Some products are more successful if they have a specific niche. Let's say our niche could be sports and games or toys and games. Now you could look for all products or any products in relation to this specific category. Now, you might think that it's a hassle or it's very tiring to do it one by one, where you put one product in through the URL and stuff like that. But you could actually do it easily by using our other option over here, which is called multiple products over here, where we could easily import products by bulk. We could put this product. Let's look for multiple products over here. Let's say this Pokemon cards over here. Let's look for random products as well. Let's look for another type of product. What if we go with something like an appliance? So let's click on appliance over here. Let's look for one of these products over here. Let's say I also want to sell some intelligent sweeping robot over here. So we have two products right now. So we have this one. There's multiple types of products over here. So what we're going to do is we're copying the URL. Paste it over there. Click on enter. Then copy this one. Paste it over here. Then click on add as draft. Now, this bulk import isn't available in my current plan, but by doing that, you will be able to import tens and hundreds and even thousands of products with a click of a button. If you have that unlocked as a feature, you could easily do that. You could also upload a CSV, which could also be very useful for uploading multiple products as one. And you also have your AutoDS Finder over here. Now, aside from the fact that you are able to import from Aliexpress, if you want to expand your sources, you can even import products from all of this list over here. You have Amazon, CJ Dropshipping, Costco, Etsy, eBay. All of these products that I'm looking at right now, or all of this list of platforms, you are able to import products from those places, which is really great and really amazing. So after that, you can now simply click on import on those products that you found and that you like, and it will be imported into your TikTok shop, assuming or if you were able to successfully put into your TikTok shop or connected your TikTok shop, which is typically not going to be hard to do. Now, aside from that, there's a lot of other things that you will be able to do with AutoDS. I would expect that you guys explore it on your own to be able to find out the features, and so you guys will be able to also experience the different capabilities of AutoDS. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. So what you just basically need to do is to get a plan in AutoDS. You can try out your $1 plan for just $1. It doesn't matter which plan, you can select which plan you like. After that, you could now simply look for the URL or specific URLs of your product that you want to import. And then after that, you will be able to simply copy and paste those URL links, which will allow you to, of course, be able to have your products from AliExpress be sold on your AutoDS and TikTok shop stores. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.